That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher.
I'm coming!
How could you not see that?
Are there kids fooling around? Wait a minute!
Come on. Well, come on!
Those rascals. I'm coming!
This is just embarrassing.
No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me! I'm coming out now!
Come on! Go!
Show you! Who's that brave out there?
What kind of circus is on the ice?
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me. Oh.
Here we go again.
Enough! I'll show you! No words! Even the doorbell is mocking
What kind
me.
of circus is on the ice?
Who's that brave out there?
So close!
I'll show you!
Well, there you go again!
No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me! Enough!
Damn it!
I'll show you! No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me. Ah! Who's that brave out there?
Strike the
Enough! What's that nonsense? Who's ringing the doorbell? There's no one here but you!
Sorry, but we don't know that. We've been playing here for an hour and not bothering anyone.
Just you wait.
Come on, keep your head up!
Screw them! I won't come out anymore!